Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize script performance with Bash, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize script performance with Bash, start by analyzing your current script. Identify the areas where performance issues occur. Use the time command to measure the execution duration of your script. This will give you a baseline for comparison. Next, simplify your script to eliminate unnecessary commands and operations. Use built-in Bash commands whenever possible instead of external utilities. External commands can increase the execution time due to process creation overhead. Leverage command substitution and variable assignments to minimize the use of subshells. This reduces the resource consumption of your script. Consider utilizing arrays for storing lists of data instead of using multiple variables. Arrays can improve readability and access speed. When processing large files, use tools like awk and sed, as they can handle text more efficiently than Bash loops. Avoid using unnecessary loops by utilizing these tools' built-in functions. For loops that are necessary, prefer for loops over while loops for faster iteration. Reduce the number of disk writes by storing results in memory when feasible. Utilize functions to encapsulate repetitive tasks and improve code structure. This can make your script easier to maintain and quicker to execute. Investigate the possibility of parallel execution using Zargs or GNU Parallel. This can significantly decrease the time taken for tasks that can run concurrently. When your script involves network operations, ensure that they are optimized for latency. Consider caching responses if you make repeated network calls. Finally, always review and test your script after making changes. Test it under various conditions to ensure it runs efficiently. Incorporate profiling tools such as BashProf to gain insights into which parts of your script are most time-consuming. By following these steps, you can systematically optimize the performance of your Bash scripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.